What was it Black told us? That he wasn't interested in transforming into something so unsightly? Well, Goku Black, looks like you had the liberty of taking your Super Saiyan Rose form and turning it into this guy. Well, for starters, you took your Super Saiyan 4 form and fused it with Zamasu, turning you into Super Saiyan 4 powered merged Zamasu. To be honest, that wasn't a bad mistake. That was actually a great idea. Taking your Super Saiyan 4, taking Super Saiyan Rose, adding Super Saiyan 4, and then fusing that with Zamasu's invincible body, turning you into this guy. Even though you would despise mortals, you would take in the liberty of avenging the punishment for, let's say, avenging the Tuffle race and putting an end to the Saiyan race, even though Planet Vegeta's already been obliterated. And for starters, well, there are other mortals who deserve this divine punishment. Besides, let's just say the shows that I despise, like Blue's Clues, that ruined my life. They deserve the Zero Mortal plan and not anyone else. And, well, I know you don't like being ordered and all that stuff, but you know how much that show terrorized me when I was a kid. And they deserve to be punished and don't deserve to be alive. You understand, right, Black? Right, Zamasu? Right, everybody? Here's the Patara earring sticking out of his left ear. One thing I don't understand, though. Why is his fur purple? I really don't understand that. Why is his hair purple? Is that even part of the trick for Super Saiyan 4? Or was it Ultra Ego? Did you really achieve Ultra Ego when you were transforming into this guy? I really don't get it. Only one last thing to draw, and that's his tail. Hang on, I don't even know if he has a tail. Man, fusions can be so confusing. Sometimes I just don't get it. Hang on, did you guys feel that? Great. It's Raikon again. I better sign off before he finds out.